Welcome to Property Owners Legal Compliance while renting out a home. Ryconn equips property owners with tailored legal strategies, ensuring compliance and proactive protection through regular updates and educational resources, ultimately safeguarding investments and maintaining peace of mind. Risk management is vital in property leasing, safeguarding both property and investments. Ryconn excels in identifying and mitigating risks, offering customized plans and proactive maintenance. By educating tenants and staying ahead of trends, we ensure property owners lease with confidence and prepare for the future. At Ryconn, we prioritize harmony and legal compliance, ensuring a positive environment for tenants and owners. We champion tenant rights by educating them and fulfill owner responsibilities through comprehensive property maintenance. With preventative maintenance and effective communication, we strive for tenant satisfaction and seamless conflict resolution. Ryconn Property Management ensures full compliance with housing regulations, promoting transparency and education among tenants. Our expert team navigates intricate regulations and develops customized compliance plans tailored to each property's needs. Through engagement programs and responsive support, we foster a culture of compliance and respect, ensuring a safe and cohesive community. Ryconn Property Management ensures compliance through continuous legal education, proactive maintenance, and tenant communication. We provide property owners with practical steps, including robust compliance checklists and technological solutions, supported by expert consultation. Our focus extends beyond compliance to cultivating a culture of excellence, safeguarding investments, and enhancing tenant experiences. Experience excellence with Ryconn Property Management. Join our community dedicated to setting new standards in property management. Contact us now for peace of mind and unparalleled service. Call 866-960-8797, 866-960-8797.